Hello and welcome to Speak English Easy. Today is day 1 of your 30-day challenge to speak English fluently. I'm proud of you for being here. Just pressing play means you've already taken a powerful step. This is not just a lesson. This is the beginning of a transformation. Each day, we'll practice English together using a method called shadowing. It's simple. I'll say a sentence, and you'll repeat it out loud. Step by step, word by word, you'll build real confidence. Today's focus is on empowering phrases that help you speak with strength. So, breathe in, breathe out, and get ready to speak with me. Let's begin.
Let's begin today with 3 simple rules. Rule 1, don't worry about mistakes. Rule 2, speak out loud, not in your head. Rule 3, finish the lesson no matter what. Now, take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale. Ready? Let's begin with Set 1, empowering phrases.
Set 1. Short sentences.
Repeat each sentence after me. We will say each one 3 times. Speak with your real voice. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I can speak with confidence. I can speak with confidence. I can speak with confidence. My voice matters. My voice matters. My voice matters. Every day I get better. Every day I get better. Every day I get better. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
Great job! Now let's make the sentences a little stronger. Repeat after me. Sentence 6. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Sentence 7. My English is improving every day. My English is improving every day. My English is improving every day. Sentence 8. Speaking out loud makes me stronger. Speaking out loud makes me stronger. Speaking out loud makes me stronger. Sentence 9. I can do difficult things. I can do difficult things. I can do difficult things. Sentence 10. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up.
Set 3. Future focus. You're doing amazing. Let's speak like the person you're becoming. Repeat after me. Sentence 11. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. Sentence 12. I will speak English with ease. I will speak English with ease. I will speak English with ease. Sentence 13. I am building a better future. I am building a better future. I am building a better future. Sentence 14. My words have power. My words have power. My words have power. Sentence 15. I am ready to grow. I am ready to grow. I am ready to grow.
In just a few minutes, you spoke 15 powerful sentences in English. You practiced your voice. You trained your mind. and you proved something important. You can do this. Remember, this journey is not about speaking perfectly. It's about showing up every day. So take a moment now, place your hand on your heart, and say, I did it. I'm proud of myself. Because you should be. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, where we'll practice English phrases for your daily routine. Until then, keep speaking, keep believing, and remember, fluency is built one word at a time.